Hello to the vast audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make an amazing dish with Armenian bread lavash, and for that we need to start with the fillings of the lavash, which is going to be chicken breast and tomato. And all we need to do now is cut down first the chicken and then tomato. Let me remind that the chicken was already cooked beforehand, and add a little bit of mayonnaise, corn, and the tomato in that. Let's mix all of this together. Let's add a little bit of parsley as well, and whenever done, all we have to do now is put that into the lavash and or any other tiny bread that you have if you're not finding lavash, and close it down. Whenever ready, let's make them a little bit more, 6, 7, as much as you want, and cover them with eggs. Whenever they are ready, you can cook them and take them out and taste them. Voila, they are ready and very tasty. Good appetite!